Yes, DreamzTree will help you. Are you looking for a job in safety? Safety officer, safety supervisor, safety practitioner, safety engineer, safety manager jobs in Kuwait. KNBC, KOC, keeping inside and outside the premises. We provide all safety courses from level 1 to level 7. ISO 45,000 Health and Safety Management System, ISO 40,000 Environment Management System, 22,000 Food and Safety Management System, 9,000 Quality Management System, Diploma in Fire and Safety, OTHM level 6 and 7, IOSH, OSHA, all safety courses DreamzTree will provide, and customized safety training programs for individuals and corporate companies.